Good morning students. Today we will discuss about our second chapter Olympic movement. Olympic movement बेटे क्वेश्चन आता है आपके एग्जाम के अंदर. What do you mean by Olympic movement? आपको आंसर लिखना होगा. Olympic movement is a term which provide us with the understanding of the development of Olympic games since their beginning to the present. Okay. और ओलंपिक मूवमेंट ओलंपिक के बारे में हम जब डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो ओलंपिक को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. फर्स्ट इज एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम्स एंड अनदर इज मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स. ये एंशिएंट है, देन मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स. तो फर्स्ट करते हैं हम एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम्स के बारे में जब पढ़ रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू लर्न एनी 2 स्टोरीज. स्टोरी रिलेटेड है कि ये कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, when and how did the ancient games begin. Okay, so first story is the king of Alice gave the responsibility to clean the vast table of punishment as a punishment to Hercules for his misdeed. Hercules placed a condition before the king's August that if he complete his punishment as well as keep his promise, then King August will give 10th part of his animal property. The king agreed. Hercules succeeded in turning the flow of the Alpheus river toward the stable and automatically the stable became clean. But the king did not keep his word. After that, Hercules killed the king August and became the king. Hercules decided to pay attention for the crime committed and he organized Olympic games for the first time. Okay, there is another story about the god and goddess. You have to learn 2 stories. Okay, then in ancient games, what is the rule for the competitions? Okay, rule for the competition is that the competitor must be only a Greek, Hellenic race and physical fit. Savage and punishable persons were not allowed, and women were not allowed to participate in competitions or see these games. Okay, there is many another rules also. Then opening ceremony and closing ceremony ये भी होते थे. और अवार्ड्स की बात करें बेटा तो अवार्ड्स में लेस अटेंशन वाज पेड टू अवार्ड्स इन द एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम्स. ओनली फूड ग्रेन्स एनिमल्स वर गिवन एज अ रिवार्ड. आफ्टर दैट ए क्राउन मेड ऑफ ओलिव लीव्स वाज गिवन टू द विनर्स. देन मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स. मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स की जब हम बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहले नाम आता है पियरे बैरन डी कूबरटिन ऑफ फ्रांस. ये वो बंदे हैं जिन्होंने मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स को रीस्टार्ट किया था. ऑन 16 जून 1894 a meeting of 13 countries was held in Paris in which 75 representatives participated. Sports competition it was presided over the Coubertin, and it was resolved that sports competition should be held every 4 years on the lines of Greek Olympic Games, and every nation should be invited to participate. After the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. Again 1896 में पहली बार मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स हुए थे. There is only 9 countries participated. Okay, then Olympic motto. Olympic motto is 3 Latin word: Citius, Altius and Fortius. Okay, ये है Citius, Altius, Fortius, meaning faster, higher and then stronger. Then Olympic flag. It was first ceremony inaugurated in Paris in June 1984. but it was created in 1913 and it was floated in 1920 in Antwerp Olympic Games. Okay, then Olympic flame. Olympic flame is a symbol of knowledge, life and happiness and peace. Then Olympic awards. First, second and third position holders are awarded with gold, silver and bronze medals and certificates. Then Olympic oath. Then rule for competitions. Rule for competitor, all the amateur and professionals are allowed to games. Then विंटर ओलंपिक गेम्स. विंटर ओलंपिक गेम्स में सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे टिक कर लेते जो हमारा हो चुका है, ये दिस वन. देन विंटर ओलंपिक गेम्स. विंटर ओलंपिक गेम्स फर्स्ट हेल्ड इन 1924 in France, Chamonix. Okay, these games were held continuously between 1924 to 1936 every 4 year. 4 year के डिफरेंस में ये कंटिन्यू हुआ था. आफ्टर दैट इन 1948 ये रिज्यूम्ड एंड वर हेल्ड once in 4 year. Until 1932, both Winter and Summer Olympics were held in the same year. But according to the decision taken by International Olympic Committee, the Winter Olympics held in 1994 instead of 1996. The 2-year gap between the Summer and Winter Olympics. ध्यान रखना है 1994 की बजाय 1996 में 2 साल के गैप के बीच में. The Winter Olympic Games have been hosted in 3 continents in of the world by 11 different countries. Okay. Then development of values through Olympic. Then what is the development? Friendship. Then solidarity, fair play and free from discrimination. ये फ्री फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन क्वेश्चन भी आता है, जैसे कि इज द ओलंपिक गेम्स इज फ्री फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और नॉट. ओके, ये आप अपने व्यूज लिख सकते हैं इसमें. देन इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी. The International Olympic Committee is the governing body of the modern Olympic Games. Its headquarters in Lausanne, Switzerland, and it was created by Pierre Baron de Coubertin on 23 June 1894. 23 June 1894. Okay. And Greek Tetrimos Vikeles was its first president. Its membership consists of 105 active members and 32 honorary members. Okay. Members of committee, there is a 1 president and 4 vice president and 10 other members. Okay, 1 president, 4 vice president and 10 other members. It's a function. The place where the Olympics will be organized is decided by the committee. For conducting the competitions, fundamental rules and regulations, it also the regular conduct of Olympic Games, it political or commercial abuse of athletes, it also act against any from the discrimination affecting of the Olympic movement. The next is Indian Olympic Association. In a short form, IOC is International Olympic Committee, IOC, and this is IOA. ये डिफरेंस है दोनों के बीच में. IO यहाँ पे C है, यहाँ पे A है. ओके. Indian Olympic Association. IOC was created in 1927. Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata and Dr. Nohrain became the founder, president and secretary general respectively. IOA is affiliated to IOC. Sir Dorabji Tata was also elected the first IOC member in India. In 1928, Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata resigned from the post of president of IOA. After that, Maharaja Bhupender Singh became the president of IOA. In the Olympic Games of 1928, which were held in Amsterdam, the Indian hockey team was sent to Olympic. The Indian hockey team which participated first time in Olympic Games won a gold medal. Okay, it's also various members like president, 9 vice presidents, 6 joint secretaries, 1 secretary general, 1 treasury, 7 respective of State Olympic Association and 12 respectively of National Sports Federation or Association. Okay, then what is the objective? Development of and promotion of Olympic movement, all the rules and regulation of the IOC IOA, and to take disciplinary action against any federation or misbehavior or any other undesirable activity bringing discredit to the country. Next is Dronacharya Award. In ancient time, gurus were honored and respected by everyone and everywhere in India. At that time, gurus used to give extraordinary coaching and teaching. Nowadays, in the field of sports and games, coaches train the sports person to achieve apex marks. Okay, so the government of India started presenting Dronacharya Award to coaches in 1985. Remind, 1985. This award is given to coaches in the memory of Guru Dronacharya of Mahabharata. Dronacharya Award is presented to such famous coaches whose team or players have shown good performance at the international level continuously for the 3 yesteryears. Okay. In this award, 5 lakhs rupees cash. 5 lakhs. Next is Arjun Award. Arjun Award is the supreme honor which is awarded to sports person by the government of India. This award is given to such sportsmen who achieves extraordinary position last 3 years, during years, and have been extraordinary performance during the past 3 years. This award was started in 1961. Remind it, 1961. And Arjun Award includes a statue of Arjun made of bronze, a diploma, and 5 lakhs. Same, 5 lakhs. And this award is given in the memory of Arjun of Mahabharata. Next is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. This award is presented for the spectacular and the most outstanding performance in the field of sports to the sports person in a year, April 1 to March 31st. ये आपको ध्यान रखना, ये सिर्फ एक ऐसा अवार्ड है जिसमें मार्च 31 तक और 1 अप्रैल के बीच में, यानी 1 साल की गैप के बीच में दिया जाता है. अदरवाइज ये आपकी पिछली परफॉर्मेंस, ये भी आपकी लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस, लास्ट 3 ईयर परफॉर्मेंस के बेस पे दिया जाता है. The cash amount of 7.5 lakhs. 7.5 lakhs, 5 lakh, 5 lakh. Okay. And this award is given to the best sports person of a year. Next is CBSE Sports. What is CBSE? Central Board of Secondary Education. Central Board of Secondary Education. Okay. Organize the sports and games tournament at cluster level, zonal level and national level for various sports and games annually. For ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of inter-school sports and games, the activities are organized under the general directions of the CBSE and the conformally with the policies. Okay. The headquarter of the sports committee shall be the CBSE Delhi. The chairman CBSE shall be chairman of the sports committee. And there is a aims and organizing. Aims is to organize the inter-school tournaments and competition in the sports and games recognized by CBSE, to encourage the sportsmanship, to raise the general standard of sports, and to organize orientation, refresher and training programs, to organize such other activities as may be conducting to the aim, objective of the sports committee as the mentioned. Last is Chacha Nehru Sports Award. The CBSE started Chacha Nehru Sports Award in 2005. In fact, it is a scholarship and is known as award. You can say it a scholarship or award. Okay. The scholarship. There are 50 scholarships each year at the rate of 500 per month for the student of class 9 to plus 2 who showed top performance at the national level in various disciplines of CBSE inter-schools or games. Okay students, thank you.